Lawyer Olukayode don come tell us when hearing go start unto the presidential election matter wey dey court o. My people, I salute una welcome to this our channel. We carry tori wey we all dey wait dey expect all this time o. We carry come sama una like this o. Since when all this election matter dey happen and e come even go land for court, we come dey wait since o. When this hearing go start? My people, this lawyer don come out come tell us o, come analyse am for us o, say the time and the days wey the thing go take, him don come tell us o. Anyway, my people, make I leave una, make una watch the video wey him dey analyse and dey talk am on top Channels TV. Make una watch the video.
So please go ahead and help us out with the explanation on this. Let us
just let you know that the tribunal. Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Please go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Right. So, as I was saying, that the tribunal is made up of judges, made up of judges of the High Court, or caddies of the Sharia Court of Appeal, judges of the customary courts, or a chief magistrate. And each state has the tribunal for the National Assembly or the State House of Assembly. And for the presidential election, which I'm sure is what you're most concerned about, the court jurisdiction to take that election petition for the presidential election. 21 days is given to the petitioner from the date the election result is declared. That is when the winner is announced. So they have 21 days within which to file their petition. That's correct. And once they have filed the petition, they must serve the petition on the respondent personally. That could take a few days. Sometimes it may require the petitioner to file an application for substituted service. If, for example, they are unable to reach the respondents personally, they could bring an application for substituted service. That could take a few days. And once the petition has been served on the respondent, well, the president-elect, he's got also 21 days to respond. Once he has responded by filing his own reply, which is by way of a defense, and he serves it on the petitioner then has 5 days within which to file a further reply if new facts have been raised by the respondent in his reply. Once that has been done, it then becomes the responsibility of the petitioner to file the TF form seeking the order of the election tribunal for pre-hearing sessions. Of course, if it fails to do that, then the respondent is allowed to do that just to quicken the pace. Once that has been done, the tribunal then sits at a pre-hearing session, where they take different issues. How long is this each witness going to take? The documents that need no argument about. They also agree on the order in which witnesses will be taken, and various things such as that, to ensure that there is a smooth sail of the hearing of the petition. Don't forget, the tribunal, or the Court of Appeal as it is in this case, has 180 days within which to deliver its judgment. Once the pre-hearing session has been taken, then the parties are ready to go on to trial. But don't forget also that once the petition is concluded, evidence taken, documents tendered, then the tribunal gives judgment. If the tribunal then gives judgment and one party or the other is unhappy, he can then proceed to the Supreme Court as it is in this case, the case of the presidential election. And curiously, the Supreme Court has only 60 days within which to deliver its judgment from the date the decision is given at the lower courts. And so those are the timelines.
Fantastic.
Sure.
It does look like, Leonard Sick, I'm very right with the picture that we painted there, which basically helped in when you are describing the journey from the day of the declaration of the winner of the election to the day of filing, 180 days to determine the judgment by the tribunal. They have a 14 days appeal window, and the Supreme Court, if there is an appeal to the Supreme Court, because now we understand, a lot of people perhaps may not know that the presidential election petition emanates or begins at the appeal court. So that is the court of first instance in this tribunal, isn't it? Am I right?
That's correct.
All right. So the Supreme Court has
correct.
60 days.
The Court of Appeal has the, yes.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Yes, the Court of Appeal has the original jurisdiction to take the presidential election petitions.
Yeah. So when
and I must add also in a situation, and I must also add, if you just 1 minute, if there are if there's more than one petition, if there's more than one petition regarding the outcome of the same election, such as the one we have at the election, we have
days.
Now, wow, 180 days. Not be here, The process is long, not be small. My people, I pray make this whole thing go well. Anyway, make una drop una comment on how una see this whole matter for the comment section, and make una not forget to like and share this video so that who never see am make e see am, who never know make e know. Abeg, make una share this video. See you all in our next video. Bye.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.